Hello guys, hope all are you good. So I will just uh, start array new concept here. So array concepts are going on. So today I will just say what is the exact meaning of spread and rest operators, which are very useful and which are very just like asked in the interviews nowadays. So you have to concentrate, you have to practice with me. And if you have some basic understanding, if you are feeling just like lacking any basic understanding of any of the concept of JavaScript, you can follow my videos and also subscribe my videos, because when you subscribe, then you can get a notification for any videos. When I am just like pushing my any video, then you will get a notification for that. So just be with the channel, you will get exactly. And don't think just like this topic is difficult for you, because if you feel difficult, it means it becomes difficult for every time. Just like uh, practice from the basic. It's not just like practice only with my videos, and beyond that you have to practice. But start from basic, and don't hesitate to just like ask anything if you have in your mind, if you want some queries in your mind. Okay, so guys, we will start from today. What is rest and what is spread? Simple definition. There are a lot of many, just like in the just like internet, there are a lot of confusing concepts are provided. But whatever I am teaching here, just keep in mind so that you can remember during the interview if asked. So just keep in mind what is rest and spread. Spread, as the word spread here signifies, that spread means unpacking, rest means packing. You can remember this definition, this high level definition only. Spread means unpacking, rest means packing. Okay, so what it's mean? I will create a file for this. Okay, so I will, this rest and spread operator are useful when you are just like manipulating the arrays and objects. Okay, so arrays concepts are going on, so that in between, as I decided and as I promised to you, that I will tell exactly what is the difference between rest and spread, and what is actually rest and previous, how it is working. So just start const my array. I have written this array. I have written a multi-dimensional array. It's not a single dimensional, it's a multi-dimensional array. So how just like you unpack, how you will get your array for this. So it is very simple from using the spread, means unpacking. So I just log that. What is just like syntax? The three dots is the syntax here. Now you can see the result. Here you can see 10, 20, 30, and it's a single dimensional becomes. Means is it spreads. Okay, so this is the concept of spread. Now I will also explore one example for this. But before that, I will tell you how to copy and how the spread operator helps to make copy. There is two type of copy is there for object and arrays, the shallow and deep copy. So this is also a difficult topic for just like who is just like new in the JavaScript, but you need to understand, because during the programming these concepts are used, but we don't know, and we are confused on that. So you have to practice, just like how I am just going on the videos, what is the pattern of my videos going on. So keep practice in that day itself. If I am just like working for you, then you have just like responsibility to your side, just like take a video, and if you are not getting at the same time, just another time, just practice for 15 minutes. And hardly my videos are not more than 30 minutes. Maybe it becomes 40 minutes, but more than 40 is not there. So you can practice anytime. Just like from your mobile, you can see the video, and another time, if you get some time, then you can make a practice with these videos. Okay. So this is the rest operator. This is the rest operator symbol. Three dots are rest operator. So what it means, it actually unpacking the array. It is multi-dimensional, becomes single dimensional. And if it is not any array is there, only single dimensional, what is the behavior change? You can see it give me only the values. Okay. So beside the array, if I have the string, okay, for example, I have written John. So now what is the output if we are using the spread operator? You can see the output. I just comment out this log. You can see each character is here. This strings become an array, you can say, because each character is differs. Just like one by one, you can print and you can assign in any array. So these are behavior of the spread operator. Now I will take a copy. A spread operator basically have the shallow copy, not deep. Deep shallow copy, I will create a video for that. Hopefully next on next time I will create. So what is there? I am copying something. For example, this array is here. Okay. So what I made is here. Uh, no, I will just tell with the example of object, not in array. I am creating an object so that you have some also practice with objects. Const my obj. You can see here. So in object, what we will take just like f name. You can take John. L name. You can take and age. So this is the object. Now what I do, I just copy this object. Const new obj equal to, I just make a copy. What happens? You can see carefully and practice. So what it means, this object is assigned to the new object variable. So the output we have to show the showcase for this new object. What becomes, we will see here with the console log. So new object I have print, and also I will print the old object. So what is the output in that case? You can see both the objects are printed identical. Both objects are identical. It means what it means? It means when I am copying any object to the new object variable, it copies its keys and values. So how just like we perform, if we have this same object key and value, and if I am modifying something, for example, in new object I have modified something dot, for example, in age I just put 10 years. Okay. So now what becomes here, you can, 1 minute, I didn't save that. Yeah, you can see here the age becomes 10 for both, and it's an problem. It's an problem. How it is problem? Just like we are modifying in the new object, but the old object also modified. You can see the old object age is 30, was 30, but when we are creating new object and adding, just like modifying the age as 10, the old object is which was 30 also modified. It means this is a problem. So how this problem is resolved? We can resolve this problem by using the spread operator. Okay, just keep in mind this syntax. Now everything, every code is as it is. I just put a spread operator because it is object, so I am using here curly braces. Here I have used the braces for the array. So now what is the output? Output is in front of you. The age is 10. Okay, the age is 10 for new object, whatever I have modified, and the old object is as it is. So it also creates a shallow copy. Okay, so this is the example. I just comment it out, and I will push my code in the repo, which I will put in the comment box of this description box of this video. Okay, so now I take an example of spread example. So I just create a array, simple array, const bio array. Bio means your personal data. For example, it's John, comma his age, comma address, for example, US. Okay, so this is array. I create a function, get bio. Any name you can put related to the function. So get bio, what is here? I will f name, comma age. You can understand easily, no issues. City you can say, or country you can say. And return, how return these. For example, I am returning only first name and age. So in that case, how we will write? I am writing this tilde sign, this backtick sign. Okay, and in the previous video I have told about this. If you are not seeing that, then you go for this video and you will see how the backtick and just like tilde sign I have for printing the dynamic variables. So dynamic variables are in front of us, f name, okay, and space and age. You can write easily over here. My name is colon is, okay, and age is, you can put here dollar bracket and age. I'm spreading. How is spreading this array? So how you will spread? Const new array bio, new bio array. Okay, so I'm just call this function. I'm calling this function. So how you will write this bio array with triple dot spread operator. So here what is mean by this? Get bio is calling function. This is the function definition where these three parameters are written. So I am returning these values. Okay, these values. And these values, these f name, age and country comes from where? Just like from this array. This array is passed to this function as a argument, as an argument. This total array is passed, you can see, and it spreads. When it is passed, then it spreads with the three dot. It is actually spreads, and we are returning the value for the get bio. So I will log it out, get bio. Okay, so printing over here, you can see my name is John and age is 30. So the array spreads and its value can easily be printed. This is the example, best example of spread. Now, rest. Both are very important operators. Keep in mind, keep on practice. So, how rest work here? So the rest means packing, not unpacking. Rest means packing. Okay. So I have put it, I'm creating a function for this. Get bio. Same function you can put because I have commented it out. Okay. So how rest is work here? I am calling this function. Calling the function with some name. For example, age is 30, address is Delhi. Delhi. Okay. Now const get bio info. Anything you can write. When I am calling, so I am putting f name, and because why? Rest means it actually unpack. Sorry, it actually pack. Pack means it combines. Okay. So combines means a single operator which combines. I am writing f name. Maybe in future there are a lot of arguments, there are a lot of parameters for this function. Here I have written only 3, maybe it becomes hundreds. So in that case, what you will do, how you will just write return those values one by one parameter you will go give. No, this is not the best way. So the best way is provided by the ES6. So I am writing here info. Okay. So the info is here and info is return also because function is here. Return info. Okay. So in future, if there are a lot of values, so only the ghan is the first name and the remaining values are coming inside this info variable, and this info variable is not a variable, it's in just like array because all these values are combined in this array through using the with the help of rest operator, because these remaining values become an array. So how this will work? I will console it out. Get bio. Okay, save this. You can see beside f name, all these values becomes an array, means combined, means packed. So it is called rest operator. This is the example. With the use of this example, you can just practice more. You can take some just like number of arguments, uh, number of arguments are there, and you can make a sum of that arguments. Okay. Anything you can perform with this rest operator. So this is the rest operator and this is the spread operator. I have told you. In spread operator, we are passing the array. In rest operator, we are passing the arguments and making the array, converting into array. Both are different. Both are opposite to each other. Okay. So don't mix and match. Another small thing I have in my mind, so I will tell you with the help of rest operator. Sorry, spread operator. You can just see here. So remove duplicates from array. You can also add your logic to remove the duplicate using the for loop and any, but there is a shorthand for this. So I have in my mind, so I will tell you how you can remove the duplicate values from array. Sorry for if there is any typo mistake. So, because I am focusing only on the concepts. Okay, so uh, const array, just write 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6. Lot of values are here. I have to remove this duplicate. So how you will perform? Simple logic. It's very simple logic. Just put a rest operator, spread operator, this operator, use the keyword new and use the keyword set. So guys, sorry, my electricity was gone. So sorry for that. So what I am telling, we have to remove the duplicate values from array. So it's a very simple concept. You can use it and remove the duplicate values from array. Here it is the values. Okay, just console it. The output is here in front of you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are a lot of 2, lot of 3 I have written here. So this is the spread and rest operators. Keep on practice on that. And if you feel anything, you can comment. Also subscribe my videos. Don't hesitate to subscribe. I will only teach you the new and valuable things. Okay. So that will benefit to you. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.